There are two functions present in most web browsers that can prove to be really helpful when you're using Populi. The web browser we'll be using in this video is Safari, but Chrome, Firefox, and Edge all feature the same capabilities. First up is Open in a new tab. Let's say you've tagged a list of students and now you need to enter data about each one. You could click on each name, be taken to their profile, enter the data, and then browse back to the tag or possibly use the browser's back button. Or you can right-click on the student's name and select Open in a new tab, and your current list of tagged students will stay right here while you pop over to that student's profile and enter whatever data. Once you're done on the profile, you can close that tab and you'll go right back to that list of tagged students. Another way of doing this is by holding Command on Mac or Control on PC and clicking the name. Now we'll look at Find in Page. This one probably comes up when you're looking at a huge table of data. Let's say you want to jump right to a particular student on the list without hunting and scrolling. If you're on a Mac, hold Command or Control on PC and then press F. This opens up a little dialog into which you can type what you're looking for and then locate them on the list. This is just using the browser's Find in Page feature. It's not a Populi feature, so you're only searching the text on the page. If the text isn't there, you won't get results. Still, it's pretty handy. For help or for more information, click the help link in the top right or visit support.populiweb.com.